Welcome to today's edition of the AII, watching stock news, deal tracker, and advancements in artificial intelligence. A report from the Research Insights finds that the global AI and BFSI, that's banking, financial services, and insurance market, will exhibit a compound annual growth rate of 40% in the forecast period 2019 to 2026. An excerpt from the report description reads, quote, "Financial institutes are leveraging on the AI to collect, report, and analyze large chunks of data to extract meaningful insights about the customers to meet their requirements. The ability of the technology to perform tasks such as processing natural language and recognizing images, speech, and text, and advanced machine learning algorithms is a factor that will augment demand for the technology. The need to provide better customer support, enhance process automation, and improve decision-making process generates the demand for artificial intelligence in the BFSI market." End quote. Microsoft, which is traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol MSFT, and BMW Group have announced the Open Manufacturing Platform, or OMP, a new initiative to drive open industrial IoT development and help grow a community to build future Industry 4.0 solutions. Scott Guthrie, the Executive Vice President of Microsoft Cloud and AI Group, said, quote, "Microsoft is joining forces with the BMW Group to transform digital production efficiency across the industry. Our commitment to building an open community will create new opportunities for collaboration across the entire manufacturing value chain." End quote. Intel Corporation, which is traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol INTC, has announced $117 million worth of investments in 14 tech startups that are creating AI platforms at the Intel Capital Global Summit this week. Wendell Brooks, Intel's Senior Vice President and President of Intel Capital, said, quote, "Intel has driven disruption for the last 50 years, changing the way we live by making compute ubiquitous. Intel Capital is continuing that legacy of disruption with these investments. These companies are shifting the way we think about artificial intelligence, communications, manufacturing, and healthcare, areas that will become increasingly essential in coming years as the linchpins of a smarter, more connected society." End quote. And Hewlett-Packard company Aruba has introduced the AI-powered ClearPass device insight solution, which delivers a single pane of glass for device visibility employing automated device discovery, machine learning-based fingerprinting, and identification. According to the press release, these solutions allow enterprises to remove IoT security and connectivity barriers while decreasing associated operational costs and complexities. Hewlett-Packard, by the way, is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol HPE. And that's it for today's AII. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.